So Gully takes embroideries and artworks from different parts of India and it brings that on streetwear, smart casuals and eventually on high fashion. Every state in India has an art form like Fulkari from Punjab, Kantha from Bengal. So as in different art forms we take, we bring it on streetwear or on such clothes. We mix it with the graphic so that it's also relatable to the newer generation, the one we are trying to tap, and then we sell. Right. So that's the bigger problem of smart casuals that we're fitting in for the next 5 to 10 years basically. इसके अलावा there was always a clientele in India and the world which used to pay 3,000, 4,000 for a t-shirt.
নমস্কার, আমি প্রবিশা চট্টোপাধ্যায়। আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত প্রবিশাস জ্ঞানে। প্রবিশাস জ্ঞানে আমি বাঙালি ইউথদেরকে এন্টারপ্রেনিউরশিপ আর বিজনেস রিলেটেড মোটিভেশন দিয়ে থাকি। তাছাড়া বিজনেস ইভেন্টে কভার করে থাকি। যেমন আজকের বিজনেস ইভেন্টে আমরা এসেছি বিইতে, বেঙ্গালস এন্টারপ্রেনিউরস ইকোসিস্টেমের। আপনারা সবাই আসুন আমরা দেখি ভিতরে কি হচ্ছে, পিচ কতগুলো হচ্ছে, কে কে গেস্ট এসেছে এবং গেস্টরা বিজনেস সম্বন্ধে, এন্টারপ্রেনিউরশিপ সম্বন্ধে, ইনভেস্টমেন্ট সম্বন্ধে কি বলছে। আর তাছাড়া এটার থেকে আপনারা প্রবিশাস জ্ঞান বাংলাতে ছাড়া হিন্দি আর ইংলিশও পাবেন। তাহলে আমরা কি ভিতরে চলি, আসুন।
I'm Abhimanyu Milan. I'm the founder of a brand called Gully. So what we'll walk through in the 5 minutes is I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I'll tell you what the brand is doing, right? What it's trying to solve. We'll then go into how, where it's selling, what distribution, what margin, and then finally what is the growth looking like, and how much I'm raising, of course. So I'm a chemical engineer by profession from VIT Vellore. For a year, I was a scientist at ITC. I used to make saffron soaps for them. Then I was a stand-up comic for a year. After which, I worked in Delhi in a startup, and there I got the idea of Gully. So that's my background. Now, what does Gully do? So Gully takes embroideries and artworks from different parts of India, and it brings that on streetwear, smart casuals, and eventually on high fashion. Right. So what really is the need for something like a Gully, right? What does it solve? So, 2-3 problems. Number one, let us imagine 3 scenarios now, right? Your grandfather's going out for dinner. What does he wear? He wears a trouser and he wears a shirt, but he doesn't tuck it in. Your father goes out for a dinner. He wears a polo neck shirt, but he tucks it in, right? Like a lot of you all here also. And then is my generation. When I go out, I want to wear a round neck t-shirt. But then round neck t-shirts का value proposition बहुत कम है because everybody's doing it. So then comes the smart casual option in Gully, which is an elevated smart casual. How are we elevating it? Every state in India has an art form like Fulkari from Punjab, Kantha from Bengal. So as in different art forms we take, we bring it on streetwear or on such clothes. We mix it with the graphic so that it's also relatable to the newer generation, the one we are trying to tap, and then we sell. Right. So that's the bigger problem of smart casuals that we're fitting in for the next 5 to 10 years basically. इसके अलावा there was always a clientele in India and the world which used to pay 3,000, 4,000 for a t-shirt. A lot of t-shirt brands have made hundreds of crores in that segment. So again we are also in that segment because printed t-shirts का value proposition drop हो गया है. Something like us comes and fills that gap with a 3,000 rupee paying customer who is willing to get something new, right? So that is why we're building it. Second, what we've noticed is because we use these different embroideries from different parts of India, we have a lot of community buying. So when I make these Punjab t-shirts with Fulkari on it, I geotag it with Amritsar and the pin code and the place it's made in. So then it gets sold heavily in Punjab, Delhi, NCR, Canada, for example, right? So we've understood that a sense of community, a sense of belonging comes when people see their community being shown on clothing, because it's a way of representation in today's time. Now, what traction do I have? Last year was my first full year in business, and we did roughly 47 lakhs in revenue. We roughly put in 20 to 30 L in capital we had put in, and we got this much out. We sell in 5 countries as of today, and the international market is 50% of our revenue. Last month, again, without the same funds that I put in, last month we did roughly 6.5 lakhs in revenue, and US, Canada, Australia, we're shipping there. We're moving into UK and UAE as we speak. All of that is through D2C online. 80% of my sales are through online, through my website. We're listed in B2B2C stockists across India. So your Furnias and your all of those places is where you'll be seeing us. If people know more of B2B2C spaces, I can tell you. Otherwise, one-on-one we can discuss. Yeah, so that's more or less it. Apart from this, we have a lot of celebrity sightings. Movie stars wear it. All that is part of the high fashion community. Apart from this, India needs brands that can go global, because that is the time. This is the time where the Indian story is going out virally. South Asian culture is going out impressively huge. पीतल के बर्तन बिक रहे US में हजारों रुपए में. Correct. So this is the time and age where Indian brands with an Indian story can grow. We're looking to diversify much. Let us say we reach a 50 CR business in apparel. What next? We can go into accessories. We can go into home decor. We can go into sneakers. All with the Gully story of getting different regions from around India on clothing. And अगर इंडिया की खत्म हो गए तो दुनिया में भर के इसके आर्ट फॉर्म्स है लेने को. So we just did a Palestine drop as well, which was sold massively in India and around the world. So there's no short of representation of community that we can do by these clothing, and it's time we take all this global. I'm raising 75 lakhs at a 7 CR value. We've almost done around 50 lakhs of that round from here for the last 25, and yeah, that's about it. You all can take a look at the products. I've shown them around. You can wear them. You can buy them also on spot if you want. That is revenue for today. Kidding, guys. That's it. Thank you.
Questions?
Did I give such a great pitch that nobody has questions, or is it that? Yeah. Lovely. So I'm the founder and CEO. I have a manufacturing unit in Calcutta that's in-house. So again, all the machinery is with me. I have an operations team on ground. I have a content head. I have remote teams in designers around different NIPs in India. So they design for me. Apart from this, I have my performance marketing guys who again work remotely. And that's what my director who works with me on movies and films. So we work with a lot of art and culture, correct? Because that's what we're trying to promote. It's more than a brand that we're trying to build. So my director was Anurag Basu's AD. So that's the sort of people I'm working with. It's a great team to work with, really creative. You should see the movies that we make. Quite nice. Yeah. Just please. Correct. Good question. Yeah, I didn't cover that. So unit economics बताऊँ तो the t-shirts sell at 3,000, the jackets move above 6,000, and the shirts are around 4,000 to 5,000. The cost of making these goods average around at 1,000. A gross margin one of 75%, a gross two of roughly 35% right now, and obviously with the countries that we get better till a certain scale. So yeah, that's what we're looking at. हाँ जी लकीरे luxury brands now, sorry. See, we aren't luxury. नहीं, see, we aren't luxury. We're entering luxury segment. हाँ, मतलब I mean sure high है. I'm not saying कि मासी product है. मैं वो बेच भी नहीं रहा. Correct. So I have my margins. I know what money I can make with the people I can cater to, because it's a global audience. If it was just 1% of India, I can understand scalability का issue है. But if I'm selling to almost just NRIs across the world, correct? It's a lot of money I can make.
The margin is very high, but what are your marketing costs and stuff like that?
So my average CAC is roughly between, it averages around 1,000. So t-shirts are around 600 to 800.
Acquisition cost is 1,000?
Yeah, average.
Average. Okay.
So my t-shirts are around 6,000. जब मेरा 3,000 का t-shirt है, मेरा 600 रुपए CAC है. जब मेरा 10,000 का जैकेट है, मेरा 1,500 रुपए CAC है, इंडिया में. ठीक है. अब्रॉड जाता हूँ तो मैं 2x मार्कअप में बेचता हूँ, और 2x मार्कअप होता है तो मेरा CAC भी ऑलमोस्ट 1.8x पे बढ़ता है.
ये मार्केट साइज के बारे में बताना, क्योंकि बिकॉज़ योर प्रोडक्ट इज क्वाइटली डिफरेंट एंड द प्राइसिंग इज क्वाइटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर. So what is the kind of market size that you have? Market size is respective to similar brands.
Correct. So I have great case studies, yeah. So the biggest case study in India that is working right now is Gully Labs. It's a shoe company, right? They recently raised 3.2 crores. again with the very same story that they're taking embroideries and artworks from different parts of India on shoes. Another case study would be this brand called Rasta from Pakistan. It's a multi-million-dollar brand, sells similar South Asian culture on clothing, correct? You know, knitwear, sweaters, jackets, anything. But the NRIs are crazy. And Pakistan में तो पैसा नहीं है खरीदने को, बाहर वाले ही खरीद रहे हैं. So the scale is intense. If I give you numbers, if you want numbers, in India in itself, selling to, you know, all these metros, tier 2 cities, all your smart cities, in itself, and also I'll tell you one more thing, with the age I'm catering to, I think that's important. If you look at this, you might think कि यार शायद मेरे से 18 से 25 के लोग खरीद रहे हैं, but that's not the case. And outside India, above 30 till 45 have been buying from us internationally, and in India, whoever is buying from our stores and exhibitions is between 30 to 45. So recently I did an exhibition at Soho House in Bombay, which is where all the celebrities and everybody hangs out. So again, you know, the clientele who's buying from us is 30 to 40 years. So in India, we are looking at a roughly, just with the people catering, I'm not making changes to my product, कि थोड़ा low कर दूँ, yeah, all of that. And of course, all that we can go a little massy, but just with what I'm doing right now, we are expected India is at a 10,000 crore market, and a 10x multiple is there outside. So that is what the.
लेकिन ये जो 10,000 crore का market होगा, it will be heavily catering to और या फिर dominated by I think the players जो already कर रहे हैं ना, मतलब the big brands.
See, that's what I'm trying to say. The times are changing. Number one, disposable income is increasing. Correct. Number two.
जैसे Urban Monkey का pricing भी शायद आपसे कमती ही होगा, लेकिन different product but similar they are also.
Correct. तो Urban Monkey, Soul Store और Bonkers. Let us take these three examples. कितने साल पहले आया इंडिया में मार्केट में? 10-15 साल पहले. Correct? हाँ, 10 हो गया. आज के दिन में एक नया Urban Monkey या ये Snitch के अलावा और Snitch is also minimal clothing trying to do a better Zudio. There's no other brand that comes in unless and until you have that much firepower in your belly. So see, right now the aim is to make a brand. Correct. It is not कि मैं Urban Monkey एक साल में बन जाऊँ. पहले brand बनेगा, वो इंडिया में बिकेगा, US में बिकेगा, अपना एक महान niche बनेगा. You can always get massy. It will take me 10 minutes to make polo t-shirts which just has embroidery on the collar. I can drop the price down on that. So that's not what the agenda is right now. The fundraiser I'm doing right now is to reach a revenue target of 3 crores. Post which we will be targeting an institutional round, which we're expected to do next year. So that is what the trajectory is. This year, organically, we're expected to do roughly 85 to, without taking money in, further infusion of funds. Okay. With the money that I have right now, I'm expected to do roughly 85 to 1 CR this year. And if I get the money in, then I'm expected to do around 2.7 to 3 CR this year. Because we have our channels ready. It's just about putting that money and getting the explosion point out.
Sorry, we are very out of time, so you can just do it offline once you finish, right? Okay, guys, thank you so much. A round of
Thank you so much,
applause.
guys. I'll be sitting there or moving around. You can invest in me today also.
নমস্কার, আপনাদের এই ভিডিওটি কেমন লাগলো অবশ্যই জানাবেন। অবশ্যই লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেন এবং ফলো করে দেবেন এবং নিজেদের যত ফ্রেন্ডস অ্যান্ড রিলেটিভস আছে তাদেরকে বলবেন, যারা ব্যবসা করতে চায় তাদেরকে অবশ্যই জানাবেন কোনো ব্যবসার জন্য যেন আমরা আবার উদ্যোগী হই, ব্যবসা করি, সেটা সব থেকে বড় কথা। আমরা আছি কৃষ্ণ। আজকের মতো চলি।